Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the sound effects volume in Mewgenics. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. Do so by pressing this button on the home screen or by pressing the escape key and settings button while in-game. Then navigate to the audio settings. Here you can change the sound effects volume. Set it to a value that fits between 0 and 100, of course, do as you prefer. Remember that the master volume controls the overall volume of those settings. So, for example, if I set it to 50%, the overall SFX volume is 30. If this is set to 10, it's 5, so it halves it. This is a percentage modifier, let's say. Of course, set it however you like. Then simply hit back. If you are in the pause menu, press resume. That's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.